Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Kashmir Food Fusion. Click on the subscribe button here to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to remain updated. I'm going to show you how to make tabak mas, which is a very famous Kashmiri Wazwan dish. The ingredients used here are lamb ribs. We've taken a single rib and it will make a serving of 3. Then we've also used a large cup of ghee and we'll fry this tabak mas in this ghee. Then you can use salt according to your taste. Then we've used 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and ground spices like black cardamom, pepper and cloves. So first of all, in a thick bottomed vessel we will place water and then we will place these ribs into it. We have to boil these ribs until the scum comes on the top. So we will add some salt here. We are adding ginger garlic paste. We'll mix it well and now we will place it on a burner and wait until the scum comes on the top. You can cover it with a lid. So we have to wait until it boils, and here you can see that it's boiling, and now we have to remove the scum and strain these ribs and keep the stock for later. Now after straining and cooling down of these ribs, we will now chop them into rectangular pieces. Like I said, a single rib makes a serving of 3, so we will chop them into 3 rectangular pieces. You should first wait until the ribs are cool down. You can't touch them when they are really hot. So after removing them from the pan, you should wait for them to cool down and then you can chop them. Here we've chopped them into rectangular pieces and now you can see them on a plate. This is the stock that we had strained, and now we will put the ribs again into it. We have to cook them in this stock. Now we added the ground spices, and we will also add the turmeric powder into it, and we have to cook these ribs until they become soft and tender. This is the same stock in which we placed them earlier. So after mixing them well, we will place it on a burner and wait for the ribs to become soft. We will cook it until it becomes soft. So here you can see that they are boiling in these spices. Now you can see that the stock is reduced and our ribs are cooked from the inside. They are soft, and now we will fry them. So we'll take out these ribs and we will fry them in ghee. Now we've placed this wok on a burner, but we have put the flame on very low. We have to cook these ribs, fry them in ghee, but we have to keep the flame on low so that the ribs, they become crispy on the top, but they also get cooked from the inside. And we can't do this if the burner is on high flame, because they'll get burned and they won't get cooked from the inside. So you have to make sure that you have placed the burner on the low flame, the lowest one. So you can flip them occasionally so that they get fried on each side. Here you can see that they are fried on the first side, and now we flip them. You can pour the hot ghee over them. This is the way the chefs do it in the Wazwan. You pour this hot ghee over it so that it gets cooked on both the sides, fried actually on both the sides. We have to fry these ribs until the crust becomes crunchy and the inside of it are cooked and soft. So here you can see that I am flipping them. Like I said, you have to keep the flame on low so that they get fried and they get crispy. Here you can see that they are almost done. The top is crunchy. Now you can see that they are fried on both sides, and now we will serve it hot on plate. So you should try this at home. This is a very famous dish that we serve in the Vaswan, the ribs, lamb ribs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.